Part 2. A best cook oven. You stuffing the deviled eggs?
Yep, I'm stuffing the deviled eggs.
What is that? What you're stuffing the deviled eggs with?
This is the yolk and the sweet relish and Miracle Whip, little pepper and mustard. And you mix it all together and you put it in the middle of the eggs.
So you actually had to push down the yolk with all of that?
Yep, you smush them up together. And you take it and you put it in the middle of it.
And then what's in the pot?
Your mama pig feet.
I don't like pig feet.
I don't either.
You used to.
No, I really didn't. I ain't never cared for nobody's feet. I don't try to eat nobody's feet.
I'm trying to record. They don't work. No.
What? It needs wood. Yeah, because he messed it up. We got to take that back to the store, too.
Get some different ones.
He done messed it up already because he being fast tail.
I want one of those scooters. That thing is fast. It's the kind of thing I need.
Yeah, some fast like you, huh?
Mm-hmm. So you use mayonnaise,
Miracle Whip, mustard, sweet relish, and pepper.
And pepper and some
That's
egg yolk.
And the egg yolk. You mix it all together.
Just to let all those people who watch this video know, the pig feet stinks.
You was a trip.
What they do? Get used to.
You was a trip. I can't believe you.
Have you ever ate deviled eggs before?
Yes, I have. They're good. Look. Don't get it on now.
I have a blue and it's blue. I would preferred purple.
You prefer purple what?
Tablet.
No, you got blue. Blue for boys.
Purple too.
Well, you got blue.
Purple my favorite
So
color.
be happy. Okay, you're supposed to be recording this, but you're talking about what you got. It's supposed to be grateful. Thank God that you got what you got.
I am recording.
Because you could end up with nothing. There's some little children that don't have anything this morning to wake up to. So he's trying to back up Zaya while he's recording me making the devil eggs.
So you have to get rid of all the deviled eggs in the bowl.
Well, I did because I stuffed them so that they would be full. Because normally somebody comes along and they want to eat what's left in here.
I can see the relish and the deviled egg. In the yolk.
Your mama and Uncle Corey already got some. That's why the tray is not full anymore. All right. They're done.
Part 2 is over?
Yep, this is it.
This is the...
There you go.
It's the end of part 2.
Did you get the whole tray?
Okay, you sure now?
It's too fast for
I want it.
Pull your shirt down.
Mine's coming.
Yeah, mine's already got this stuff.
What?
Don't put your arm in it.